In a circuit with a resistance wire, we can predict the potential difference across a length using the ratio of the length and the EMF. R is proportional to length and V is proportional to R, therefore V is proportional to L. Now, potentiometers are meters to measure the potential of an unknown EMF. This is the same circuit as the previous video, but the 2-volt cell has been changed to a cell of unknown EMF, and the 2 resistors have been changed to a rheostat. The circuit has a main EMF driving current around the circuit. The unknown EMF drives current the same way through the wire. We move the jockey until the current through the unknown EMF is 0. This means the PD across the left-hand section of the wire is equal to the EMF of the unknown cell, and the PD of the section of wire is given by the length of the section of wire. So, if the current through the unknown EMF is equal to 0, the EMF of the unknown is equal to the voltage of the section, which is equal to the voltage of total times the proportion R section over R total, which is equal to the EMF of the main power supply multiplied by R section over R total, which is equal to EMF of the main power supply multiplied by the length of the section divided by the total length of the resistance wire.